Hello students. In our last discussion, we have discussed about electric dipole. Today we will discuss about electric intensity at a point due to an electric dipole. First case, we want to find the electric intensity at a point on the axis of a dipole. This position is also known as end-on position. Minus q and plus q separated by 2L, and from the midpoint of the dipole O, the P point is at a distance r. EA, that is the electric field at P due to the point A, is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r plus L whole square according to the definition, and the distance AP is equal to r plus L, as AO is equal to half of 2L, that is L, and the direction of EA is along PA as the force is attractive here. EB, the electric field at P due to the point B, is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r minus L whole square, as the distance BP is equal to r minus half of 2L, that is L, and the direction of EB is along BP as the force is repulsive here. So the net electric field E at the point P is equal to vector EB minus vector EA, as they are oppositely directed. Now if I put the values of EA and EB, then the final expression is q by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 into 2LR divided by r square minus L square whole square, where 2LQ is known as P, that is dipole moment. So the final expression becomes 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2PR divided by r square minus L square whole square. The direction of E is along BP, as EB is greater than EA. Second case, the point P is on the perpendicular bisector or on the equatorial line. This position is also known as broadside on position. Here EA and EB, both the electric fields at the point P due to A and B, are equal in magnitude, as the distance AP is equal to BP is equal to root over of r square plus L square according to Pythagoras theorem. So the magnitude of EA is equal to EB is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q divided by r square plus L square according to the definition of electric field. Now in the elaborated diagram, we can see EA and EB, both the electric field intensities can be resolved in components, as these angles are theta, such as EA sin theta, EA cos theta, EB sin theta and EB cos theta. Now we can see EA sin theta and EB sin theta both are equal and opposite, so they are cancelling each other. So the net electric field intensity at the point P is equal to summation of EB cos theta and EA cos theta. See the mathematical expression, E is equal to EA cos theta plus EB cos theta is equal to 2EA cos theta, as EA and EB both are equal in magnitude. Now we are just putting the values. We are getting 2 into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square plus L square into the value of cos theta, means base by hypotenuse, that is L divided by r square plus L square to the power half. So the final expression of E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2LQ means P. So P divided by r square plus L square to the power 3 by 2. This is the magnitude part, and the direction of the electric field intensity E at P is along PC as shown in figure. Our next topic is torque on an electric dipole in a uniform electric field. This is the dipole AB, minus q and plus q charges separated by distance 2L. The dipole made the angle theta with the uniform electric field E. Then the dipole is under the action of two equal and opposite parallel forces. These are QE here and QE here. These forces exert a torque on the dipole. We know the magnitude of torque, we have learnt in class 10 also, is equal to force into perpendicular distance between two forces is equal to any one of the force means QE, and this perpendicular distance is equal to 2L sin theta, as this length is 12 and this angle is theta. Therefore, the perpendicular distance is 12 sin theta. We are replacing it here. Therefore, the magnitude of the torque is equal to QE into 12 sin theta. That also can be written as PE sin theta, as 12Q means P, that is the dipole moment. Now torque is a vector quantity, so the vector form of this equation is vector tau is equal to vector P cross vector E. According to the direction of cross product, we can see in the diagram, if P means the dipole moment is in this direction, E, the electric field intensity is in this direction, then the P cross E or the tau vector will be is this direction according to the figure. This is the assignment 2 from the portion electric field intensity and electric dipole. Try to solve it. All the previous knowledge we have to use it, and then you can do it easily.